Hi, we're back with the Hatchimals. I have a new package to open and we'll see what we have. Let's open this package. Let's see what we have in here. Then we have a new friend. Oh, and it is we'll get it out. Oh, get this out. Let's get this little friend. Here we go. And it is an elephant. This little guy is from the collection Savannah. He's a common. Let me put you here. Right there. Let's take one egg. Put these eggs out. All right, I'm so excited. Let's see. Let's start opening these eggs. Okay, and this particular egg here, it has orange spots. And let's rub this little heart here and give it a little warm so the egg could crack. And now the heart is turning pink. But the egg have orange dots. So let's see what this egg has for us. Come on, Hatchable. Stop. Come on. I gotta, okay. We're gonna give it a little warm. Okay, come on. There we go. Oh, it just needed a little bit more warmth. Oh, he felt that warmth. Let's see, come out. Oh, look. He's a common, and he's from the desert. And now we're going to open the other Hatchimal. We'll just put him there. Let's see what we're going to have the other one. Oh, this one has purple dots. And let's give it a rub. Oh, let's give it a rub. Okay, we're going to rub it. And let's see what surprise. Here, there we go. And what do we have here? Oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. What kind of animal is this? And who are you? He's a tiger, common, from the Lilac Lake. Okay. And let's go. Come over here, little friend. We're gonna open your other friend. And this egg, pink dots on it. We'll rub it to give it nice and warm. And let's crack it. There we go. Ooh. Here we go. Who's next? Oh, this is so cute. Oh, are you ready to come out? Come out. There we go. And a snail. Oh, he's ultra rare, and he's from the garden. Okay, we'll come to the last one. Let's open the last one here. There we go. And oh, we have a teddy bear. Well, it looks like, well, it looks like a mouse. But yes, it is a mouse. But guess what, my friend? We have two Hatchimal, and he's from the garden. So we have two friends. Hey there. Hi, buddy. Okay. This is it for our Hatchable for today. And comment on which Hatchable you like. Let me know, so we could share our comment on on all your Hatchable. And subscribe, click, and share. Bye now. See you next time for another episode of the Hatchimal. Yay! Bye, buddies.